Hello, Manan. Hi. Hey. Thanks for joining us live today. This is our last drop of 2025. Hello. Hi, Anmol. Hello. Hello, Ranjan. Oh, I'm very good. Thank you for asking, Anmol. How are you? Hey Zina, I have something special for you today. And don't worry, we've kept your Meenakari aside. It's all for you. Hi, hello. Hi Rakshita. Hi Shreya. Hello. Thank you all for joining us today. Um, accept the request. Okay. Tay, can you? I did accept the request. Yes, she's here. I can't believe she's here. I'm very excited. Oh, invite. Tay, are you able to join? No way! Hi! This is the biggest surprise for me. I'm so happy.
Yeah, because I'm out for dinner, so, but then I managed. I was like, let me take a minute out.
I love you. Thank you. The life is so incomplete without you, Tay. I'm so happy you were able to
I'm
remove
so glad we
time.
are here and we can do this. So let's drop it now,
Let's
guys.
drop it.
Welcome to yours weekly Christmas and New Year special. And please say hello to my sister
Aditi!
here.
Oh my god, hi! How are you, Aditi?
Hi, Minty.
Hey! See you live. Aditi is so cute. Yay.
Yeah. Okay, come on, Minty, drop it.
Okay, so our collection is out now, and we have few of your favorites. You all have been asking since the last drop, and here we are with one of our favorites. Hello, Candy Cane. So all these have been priced really well, so that all of you all can get shopping, get fast. And I want to tell you all something I tell you all every time, but it's the fact that we have very limited stock. We don't have many pieces, so if you like any, you'll have to immediately order right now. And I'll show you Niti's favorite. Hello, Mr. Longlegs. Whose legs are like this? Tay, can you do the step? Oh my god. In your next move.
Yeah. You have to teach me, okay? By the way, Minty,
So,
your new haircut is looking amazing. You're looking very
thanks.
pretty.
Do you think I cut it too short? I always regret.
No. They'll grow long. It's okay.
But it's too short now. I told him, I was like, then irony got excited. I was like, okay, cut more. And then I saw the final look and I was like, why did I get excited? Okay, back to topic.
Okay.
So, yeah. So, this is our Christmas collection. And come on, these are super cute and they're priced at only rupees 149 per pair, which is a great price. Aditi is telling you all to shop now that the prices are very good and the quality is excellent. Aditi?
Aditi, shop sure, guys. Shop till you drop and get all that you can before Christmas, so you are ready for Christmas. Yes.
Yay,
Is
thank
it
you,
stock?
Aditi. Shop.
प्लीज हिंदी somebody is written please हिंदी में बोलिए आप प्लीज कृपया करके ये खरीद लीजिएगा क्योंकि बहुत कम स्टॉक है इनके पास और क्रिसमस के पहले आप रेडी हो और न्यू ईयर्स के पहले हाँ बस इतनी हिंदी आती है
Thank you,
मेरी बहन को
Aditi. That was so sweet. We also have these very cute bracelets. So, whatever plans you all have for Christmas, you have to wear something from yours weekly because they're all very well priced and super cute. Look at these bracelets. They all have different, what
Aditi
are these
covering my
called?
lights.
Charms.
Oh, sorry.
Listen, am I speaking too loudly for
No,
your
no,
country?
please go because there's
Okay.
a lot of music that is.
Oh, look at these
Yeah.
charms. Come on. So every bracelet has like a unique charm of their own. You can wear two, you can wear three. These ones are really cute. And they're priced at just rupees 99 per piece, which is great quality and a charm. Can you believe the prices? I think we went like really crazy just for y'all. It's the last drop of 2025, so go hard. And a lot of y'all have been requesting, okay, I'll show you one last Christmas piece.
Thank you guys. I'm
This
reading
is
all the
so
comments.
cute.
Thank you all so much. Thank
Please
you.
do.
Lots of love to all of you also. Thank you.
Hey, this is so cute. You have to wear it on top of any of your red top or before you go for your Christmas
All
party.
green tops, all
Or
white
green.
tops.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. So this was our Christmas collection. We have limited pieces. So Zina, we saved things for you. Please shop. And now coming to our New Year collection. So a lot of y'all have been asking for this since Tay and me started the business that please give us self-care, self-care, self-care. And now, do we have self-care Tay for them?
Yes, we do. We do have. There were so many requests for self care. Everybody kept asking me, asking us what do we use and what are the products and everything, and get some self skin care. So here we are. Yours weekly is out
500
with.
people are watching this now.
It's connected to my profile.
Oh, I'm like, wow. Okay, sweet day.
We need to be
Thanks.
sold out today, okay? So
We
we
have
have
to,
no
yes,
more.
we will, we will. So I
Yeah.
want to bring out to y'all. This is one of my favorite masks. It's the collagen mask. It has hyaluronic acid as well. This is something that we have personally used because we will not stand by things that we haven't used. What Aditi wants? Yeah, we'll pack
No,
it
no,
for
no.
you.
No, no. The people talking here, huh? Sorry, sorry. You
Okay,
carry
okay,
on. You don't get
okay, okay,
distracted.
okay.
Sorry.
Okay. So this is a collagen mask. You can actually wear it before you sleep as well. You need to put it on for a minimum of 20 minutes and use the serum in your skin after that. Or it's also a great prep, like a party prep. So check this out. It's also very well priced. You remember the price there? But we remember it's well priced. It's well priced. So
It's
this
very
is
well
it.
priced. I think it's 99.
Oh, it's 99
90,
bucks. Wow.
yeah,
Better
yeah.
than all
90.
your Nykas out there. And this works much better because it's a snail mucin collagen and hyaluronic acid mask all in one for you all to use
Yours
to get
weekly,
that
na?
glow up in 2026. This is one of our favorite skincare editions. Shop now. And
Yeah.
we also have these. Okay, these are hyaluronic eye patches. What you can do is wear them directly or also refrigerate them and then put it. So it also helps to depuff and it has hyaluronic acid serum in them. You need to put it on for a minimum of 20 minutes and then just dab on the serum on your under eye. These are all tested and they work really well. And lastly, we have something that you'll all have been bugging Taylor about. There you go.
Yay!
The lip
Pretty, pretty
mask also.
lips.
Yay! For really pretty and hydrated lips. So honestly, guys, no matter how much lip color, lip tint, no matter what you do, if your lips are not hydrated, just nothing matters. We want that, don't we? And what has Tay used over there? What have we gifted her? These are lip masks. So they are made of glycerine. So they are so good. You can actually put them overnight as well. So you wake up with really hydrated lips. Or you can use it before a party or function. You need to keep it on for a minimum of 20 minutes and it smells amazing like strawberry. Look at this. So this was
And
our
this is
session.
for rupees 129.
That's
Yes,
it. It's
and
just for
the
rupees
face
129.
mask was for rupees 129.
Almost there. Almost there.
Almost, yes.
So these are great
149.
additions.
149. Yeah, sorry.
149. And these are also skincares that we have tried and tested, and they are nothing that you will find here. We have made sure we have procured these very well, especially for y'all, for all the people out there who have been requesting for it. And now moving on to one of Tezo's favorite. You all have any questions before we move on? Please
Dinty,
tell
I'm on
everyone hi.
roaming.
Okay,
I'm on roaming.
lastly. Lastly.
You answer questions when I'm gone.
Done, done, done. So we have these super cute spectacle cases. No way.
Sunglasses,
And
cases, any
sunglasses.
case.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, anything. You can even keep money inside if you want.
Wow, I really like it. Just like that, I want to hang it on my bag. So this is a very cute case. We don't have many of them, so if you like it, order now ASAP. We also have these rubber bands. So they are a perfect like a winter edition rubber bands with little bunnies on top. So they're basically just for like half tie. You can also use them for half tie or for a full tie. So this is super cute.
Can you show
And
my favorite thing? Because I'm
I'm
putting a
just
video
showing.
out.
I'm just showing your favorite, unpacking it. So it looks
Yeah.
fresh as ever.
Yay! I'm putting a video out, guys. You need to buy this. It's the cutest thing
Hey,
ever.
this is so cute.
Yeah. This is for
So
winters.
it's
Like
also
if you're traveling to the states and it's very cold, or even if you're going to Uttarakhand and Shimla and
yeah.
all these places, even Delhi for that instance, this is like the best thing because I was using this yesterday and it kept me so warm, and it's the best thing that's ever. And I have a thing for earmuffs, so guys, you need to buy this. This is very, very cute.
This is very cute. And it also has sizes. You can make it smaller as well. And you
Yeah,
can make it bigger
bigger.
as well. So it's very cute and it's fully foldable. It's actually so
No,
compact.
yeah.
This is Tezo's favorite. She's already taken one to her trip. We would love to see that day whenever
Yeah, yeah, I've
possible.
already recorded a video and I'm putting it now, right away.
Yes, put it. Because do we have a lot of these?
ओ भादिया जी आप बड़ी रूड बन रहे हो लाइव में प्लीज मत बनिए धन्यवाद
Please reject. Hey, come on. This is also one of Tezo's favorite because it looks like her. We can ask Aditi. She'll confirm.
and
These are like your makeup bands before doing your skincare makeup. You can wear it around your head. And this is a super cute one. And I want to tell you all that this is so special. We only have one piece of this. We really try to procure more, but this is the only piece we have in stock. So if you like this and if this is something that you are going to use, order now. And lastly, don't
before I
answer this
leave.
one here. Before you leave, lastly, I want to show you something that's very, very, very cute. So winter's coming, winter's here, and no ways. We
We
have the
got the cutest
cutest.
socksies, the fluffies. We call them fluffies.
Yes.
They're the cutest.
Perfect name for these super cute socks. We have many. We have berries, we have duckies, we have hearties, we have it all. And I'm actually a very big socks person. I'm already wearing socks, and as it keeps getting colder, these are the most perfect fits. Everyone in Delhi, up north, even Bombay, for me, this is
For
for
me.
you. Yeah. I think the fit really well into it. My mom's a 34. She also fits really well into it. So it's more like a free size as it's all stretchable. So go hard. These are super, super cute. And this is what we have for y'all now.
So,
Uh,
guys, I am leaving because I am out and about. I'm in someone's house having dinner. And too many people around me. So I am leaving, but lots of love to all of you. And please, please, please do shop from yours weekly. And we've got like the cutest collection for Christmas and for New Year. So please shower all your love and सब अभी खरीदो. हिंदी में वार्तालाप करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ मैं. ठीक है. एंड एवरीबडी हु वाज गिविंग लव थैंक यू सो मच हिंदी में भी बोल दिया मैंने तो प्लीज शॉप कीजिए अपने क्रिसमस के लिए और अपने न्यू ईयर्स के लिए अपने अपने लिए अपने भाई बहनों के लिए अपने माँ बाप के लिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के लिए सबके लिए ठीक है थैंक यू
sweet.
गाइस एंड कम बैक हो जाएगा बहुत जल्द हो जाएगा अब मुझे अपने प्रेयर्स में रखिए दैट्स अबाउट इट आई विल बी बैक वेरी वेरी सून डू नॉट वरी Thank you. Bye, Vinti. Lots of
Thanks,
love. Carry
Tay.
on the
Love you
live
for
and answer
joining
all the questions.
us. Thank
Bye.
you. Come soon, come soon, come soon. Bye. Please
Bye.
thank Aditi too.
Yeah. For sure.
Bye.
She's gone.
Oh,
Bye.
thank her, thank her. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, so let me know if you'll have any questions about the products or there's something you'll want to see in particular that we have and I haven't explained it well, either our self care or our Christmas, or you'll have any questions. So Neeti is on roaming and she's not in the country, but she's gonna be back really, really soon. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I would love to tell you all more about all the products that we have. Ooh, we have really cute rings that I forgot to show you all. I have to show you all these rings. So we have one very cute customer. Her name is, I don't know if she'll be okay if I say her name. She loves the rings. So these are for you. We've got out new rings. Oh, I love this one. Design's so whack. See this one? So we also have got new rings in the collection. So it's great if you guys come and buy these rings. So they're also well priced. We have rings like 300 to 400 rupees, and they're really sturdy and great quality. So you can buy them. As I said, there's not much stock, and it's our last drop of 2025. So please, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, it was my birthday on 29. Thank you so much for wishing me. And this is the last drop of 2025. Thank you for showing so much love to yours weekly. It means the world to us. And the only reason we are there is because of people like you all who shower so much love. A special shout out to Karishma. Thank you so much, Karishma. You've shown so much tremendous love to yours weekly, to Neeti, to me for our birthdays. And we're so blessed to have someone like Karishma here on yours weekly. So thank you so much. Oh, Tripti, I'm so happy you like the collection. You can shop. I think like it's also well priced, 149 for super cute hoops that you can wear this Christmas. Do you all have any other questions? I'm happy to answer them or happy to show you more of the Christmas collection. This is one of my favorites. Cutie. Yes. So let me know. Tripti, I'm waiting for your message. I will be waiting and I will be watching. Hello everyone who's joined now. I hope you all got to see the collection. I also want to show you this earring. What is Santa doing? I just find this one very cute. Honestly, like a unique one, something that you won't see anywhere. Santa on the sledge. It's very cute. Ravi, I'm waiting for your Christmas order. You need to send gifts to Sunny and the little kids. They will love this Christmas collection. Yeah, the Christmas earring. We have a few others. So we have Santa on the sledge. We also have Santa on the swing. We don't have many in stock. So if you like it, it'll be awesome if you all order right now. Okay, I'll show you one last one, which is super cute. Okay, so how many of you all from here are actually going to shop the Christmas collection? Come on. So these are studs from the front, but no ways. So it's literally like a stud, and you have Santa hanging on the back. Hi, Star Firefly. So cute. No freaking way. Look at these studs. They're really, really cute. So these are our special Christmas edition, and I would love for you guys to shop them, enjoy. These are the mini hoops we have, only for 149 per piece. These are very cute. They'll go with any outfit. They're a really nice size as well, not too big, not too small. And these are Zena's favorite. Zena, come on, let's get them. Super. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us live today. And this is our last drop of 2025. Thank you for showing so much love to yours weekly. And please start shopping, please start ordering. And we'll be personally taking your orders and packing it this December. So thank you so much. ओह थैंक यू शर्मा मैंने अभी काटा एक्चुअली बहुत लजीना हेलो बहुत लंबे थे और मुझे थोड़ा एक्सपेरिमेंट करना था 2025 एंड हो रहा था तो मैंने थोड़ा ज्यादा शॉर्ट किया है जो मुझे लग रहा है पर या दिल ग्रो बैक हाय प्रीति okay, great. Thank you so much. I'm so happy, Adya, you like the collection. Please do shop. Thank you so much for your birthday wish. You, Karishma. I'm happy you liked the haircut. And please start shopping. It's all limited stock, and I can't wait to pack your orders. And Merry Christmas in advance. Happy New Year in advance. We will have one more live. Ravi, I'm waiting for all your orders. Let's give it to the kids. They'll really like it. We also have kids clips, Ravi, so you can get that as well. And see y'all. Thank you so much for showing so much love. And let's start shopping. I'm personally going to be taking your orders, Adya. So you need to shop right now from yours weekly. Thank you. Bye. How do I save this live? Happy New Year to you too. Okay. If I do end now, will it get saved? End.